Hi everyone! Welcome back to Spices and Herbs Home Care Medicine, the channel where we explore the incredible healing powers of nature's pantry. Today, history of herbs and spices, and we're diving into some simple, natural remedies you can make at home using spices and herbs. The history of herbs and spices is as long as the history of mankind. People have used these plants since earliest times. No other commodity has played a more pivotal role in the development of modern civilization as spices. The lives of people and plants are more entwined than is often realized. Some herbs have the power to change our physiological functioning. They have revolutionized medicine, created fortunes for those who grow, process and treat them, and in many cases have assumed social and religious significance. Herbs have changed the course of history and in economic terms have greater importance as ingredients in food and medicine, perfumery, cosmetics, and garden plants. The knowledge of herbs has been handed down from generation to generation for thousands of years. Wars have been fought and lands conquered for the sake of these plants. Even today we continue to depend on herbs and spices for many of our newest medicines, chemicals and flavors, and they are used in culinary preparations, perfumery, and cosmetics. Many medicinal herbs are also food, oil, and fiber plants and have always been grown for a range of purposes. The term herb has more than one definition. In the most generally accepted sense, herbs are plants valued for their medicinal and aromatic properties and are often grown and harvested for these unique properties. Some of the earliest of herb gardens were planted about 4,000 years ago in Egypt. Herb growing was often associated with temples, which required herbs and sacred flowers for daily worship and rituals. Both horticulture and botany began with the study of herbs. The earliest gardens were herb gardens. The present-day concept of a herb garden has developed largely from ancient Egyptian, Christian, and Islamic traditions. In most parts of the world, herbs are grown mainly as field crops or on a small scale as a catch crop among vegetables and ornamentals as they were thousands of years ago. Oregano and cinnamon tea, a natural remedy for stomach discomfort, cholesterol, and immunity boost. Oregano and cinnamon tea is a powerful herbal infusion that has been associated with numerous health benefits. This natural remedy is known to alleviate stomach discomfort, reduce cholesterol levels, and strengthen the immune system. By combining these two potent ingredients, you can enjoy a warm, soothing beverage that supports overall well-being. Health benefits of oregano. Oregano is a well-known herb with a rich nutritional profile and medicinal properties. Some of its key benefits include: improves blood circulation, helps maintain healthy circulation, promoting cardiovascular health. It relieves headaches, stomachaches, sore throats, joint pain, and toothaches, acts as a natural analgesic. It prevents heart, digestive, and constipation problems, supports gut health and prevents blockages. It alleviates cough, asthma, and colds, provides relief for respiratory conditions. It reduces inflammation, contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help manage pain and swelling. Aids in sleep, promotes relaxation and better sleep quality. Acts as a diuretic, helps eliminate excess fluids from the body. Health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is not only a popular spice but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Here's why adding cinnamon to your diet is a great idea. It supports brain health, enhances cognitive function and memory. It reduces menstrual pain, provides relief from menstrual cramps and discomfort. It boosts antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory functions, helps fight infections and reduces inflammation. How to prepare oregano and cinnamon tea. Making this herbal tea is simple and requires only a few steps. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano or a few fresh leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick, or 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Honey, optional, to taste. Instructions: 1. Pour water into a pot and bring it to a boil. 2. Once boiling, add oregano and cinnamon. 3. Let it simmer for a few more minutes to extract the flavors. 4. Turn off the heat and cover the pot to allow the tea to steep. 5. Let it cool slightly before straining. 6. Sweeten with honey if desired, then serve and enjoy. Star anise, the spice for better digestion, clearer breathing, and stronger immunity. Star anise, Elysium verum, also known as Chinese badian or French anise, is a powerful spice with numerous health benefits. Traditionally used in herbal medicine, this star-shaped spice enhances digestion, relieves congestion, and combats infections. It is commonly consumed as an infusion and is even used in pharmaceutical products due to its remarkable medicinal properties. Health benefits of star anise. 1. Digestive health. Star anise is well known for its carminative properties, which help eliminate gas and ease digestive discomfort. Here's how it supports the digestive system. A stimulates the production of gastric juices, promoting better digestion. A relieves acidity, bloating, and stomach discomfort. A eases colic and intestinal spasms, making it beneficial for conditions like gastroenteritis and diarrhea. A provides relief from abdominal pain caused by gas and indigestion. 2. Respiratory support. Star anise has been used as a natural remedy for respiratory conditions, helping to clear airways and alleviate congestion. A acts as a decongestant, promoting clearer breathing. A traditionally used to treat coughs and respiratory infections. A helps expel mucus and soothe inflamed airways, making it useful for colds and flu. 3. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The powerful antioxidants in star anise help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. A combats signs of aging by improving skin health. A reduces inflammation and supports overall well-being. A strengthens the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections. Traditional uses and applications. Infusions and teas. Star anise is often consumed as a tea to relieve colic in infants and promote relaxation. A herbal medicine. Found in pharmacies and herbal stores, it is used as a natural remedy for digestive and respiratory issues. A culinary uses. Commonly used in Asian cuisine, star anise adds a rich, licorice-like flavor to dishes and beverages. Star anise is much more than just a spice. It is a natural remedy with significant health benefits. From aiding digestion to soothing respiratory ailments and providing antioxidant protection, this spice is a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether consumed as tea or incorporated into meals, star anise is a flavorful and beneficial way to support overall well-being. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a home remedy tip. Let me know in the comments which spice or herb you'd like me to feature next. Until next time, stay healthy and spice up your life.